Hæ, hvað segið þið gott? Þetta er Axel frá How to Teach X Ísland með nýtt myndband. Hvað heita tölurnar á íslensku? New video on what the numbers are in Icelandic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 28. So everything above 20 is usually written in 3 words, which just is 20 and 1, 20 and 2, and so on. Also, same as with 30, so 30 and 1, 30 and 2, and so on. So you would say 28, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 90. So you have like the numbers 1 to 9 plus a 10, so it's 110, 210, 310, 410, and so on. Then we have 100, so 100. And here you go 200, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1000, 8000, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000 is 100,000. Then you would say 1 million perhaps, so million. 1 billion, milljarður. And 1 trillion, billion. Watch the video again if there's anything unclear, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!